in Mama's house. Going to teach you to perfectly assemble a bathroom. First of all, trash belongs in the trash room. Like this. It's not that hard, boys. And notice the toilet. The lid's up. No, babe. You've got to, the lid, it goes down. Like so. Men, always down. That's all you gotta do. You think you're strong enough to handle it? You better be strong enough to handle it. Now, let's take another look. You see that floor? That rug's messed up. So what we gotta do is we gotta put down our purse. We gotta bend over. And we gotta fix it. Did you see that? It's not that hard. That's a scrub brush. It scrubs the toilet, it cleans it. Let us learn. It's not that hard. Peace.